Okay, so welcome back. Now, today we're going to talk about elephant money. Yes, elephant money. I did a video for this one long time ago, all right? Before happened a shit show last year and a half ago, around year and a half ago. But then the community is so strong and the things has changed in the good way, and I want to show you. Now, very important, tomorrow, it depends when you watch this video, on the 13th of May, I'm going to have AMA with SK Crypto K, who is going to explain everything regarding futures and elephant token, and you can ask any question you have. Now, he will explain 10 times better than myself. However, I just want to go through this platform just shortly before we go tomorrow, because this is very interesting and I believe can have huge potential. Now, before we go anywhere, remember that nothing in this video is financial advisor. I'm not your mama and papa. What's mean? I'm not giving you any advice. Do your research and don't put more money you can afford to lose, because this is crypto and you can get wrecked or you can make a lot of money. Your money, your problems, your issues. Now, if you never ever watch any of my video, more you give, more you receive, I highly recommend, guys. I'm doing donations in Philippines, India, and Africa. I'm helping these amazing children and so many people every single week. Go and watch any of my video. I'm the only YouTuber who is doing something like this. All right, so if you hear some kids screaming, that's my kids, sorry about that. So let me go about this one a little bit, okay? Now, check this out. If you go to see Bitcoin price today, when I'm doing this video, okay? It's 26,000. What is dropping? What is very good? Yeah, I love it. I love it. It's mean more buying opportunity for altcoins. Now, if you go for 1 year, you will see that Bitcoin in 1 year, if you bought Bitcoin 1 year ago today, you're going to be minus 6%. Minus 6%, correct? What about, let me go and open. What about if you bought Ethereum? Okay, let's go and you bought Ethereum. How high you will be 1 year ago? 1 year ago, let's see. You'll be minus 7% if you bought Ethereum. If you bought Bitcoin, you'll be minus 6%. Okay, that's the two strongest. If you bought Elephant Money, what is the token from Elephant Money? Okay, you will be plus 100%. So you're going to double your money. It's crazy, okay? So let me go and zoom out. Do you see the price right here? Can you see? Let me see if I can go like that. Okay, so let me just move my face. So check this out. So the price right here, this is 2021. So this is where I did a video. Right here, I did a video. All right? And the price shoot up from here. Did what? 39039. This is 15x. Okay, from right there, February to April. So in 2 months, month and a half, did around 15x. However, people saw and everything was happy days till some stupid exploit happened. But will be explained what's happened tomorrow. What, to be honest, it's make them stronger. Much make them stronger now. And I don't think can ever happen. Again, never say never, it's crypto, but now they're much stronger and much more secure. That's what they're saying. So that's why I'm ape in. And then drop down. And then I lost here a lot. And then I never sold my tokens, to be honest. And it's doing great. It was doing great so far till I got hacked a month ago and somebody hacked all my tokens and I got pissed and angry. But it is what it is. Now, so what's happening is everybody expecting to this thing to blow up this token again in the next several months, maybe a year. It's a way the guy who will explain tomorrow how this and when they expect it to happen. Okay, so it's very interesting. Okay, let's go back now. So that's what I want to share with you. Elephant Money for the last 1 year, I believe, outperformed most of the tokens. Okay, most of the tokens of the first, I believe, 100 tokens is outperformed. Let's pick up one more. Let's pick up which one? Let's pick up Cardano. 1 year ago. Let's see what was the price. Oh, so Cardano is minus 21% 1 year ago. 20 minus 21%. Let's pick up any. Just pick up any you want. Let's go Link. Okay, I'm talking about good project right here. 1 year ago. Minus 1%. So just imagine you're buying Link like you're buying 1 year ago. That's crazy. That is crazy. 627. Yeah, I need to get more. All right. So that's what I want to say. Elephant Money is doing an exceptional well to compare with every single 100 tokens, even more, I believe. Now, what's Elephant Money? Okay, it's a video 3 minutes who explain everything about it. Okay, I'm going to play in speed. Okay, check this out. You're going to explain 10 times better than me in 3 minutes time.
Elephant Money, the first decentralized global community bank of its kind. This permissionless system is built for economic inclusion for participants of any size to Elephant Money, the first decentralized global community bank of its kind. This permissionless...
It's at 1.5 speed, so feel free to listen.
Welcome to Elephant Money, the first decentralized global community bank of its kind. This permissionless system is built for economic inclusion for participants of any size and helps its community accumulate wealth through active and passive cash flows in a sustainable ecosystem that grows by reinforcing itself in any market condition. The Elephant token is a reflection token that rewards participants passively for simply holding it without the need to stake or farm. A transactional tax of 10% for buys, sells, and transfers reflect tokens back to all holders and locked liquidity, including the graveyard and the Elephant Treasury, aka Bertha. The graveyard always holds 50% of Elephant's 1 quadrillion token supply and accumulates tokens from transactions to grow to 51% before an auto-balancing event occurs to reinforce locked liquidity, bolstering token price. The Elephant Treasury is a friendly whale that continually grows and never dumps on you. This will squeeze Elephant token's price upwards for exponential asset growth. Elephant Money Futures is a high-yield cash flow engine that earns 0.5 earning yield ensured by the Elephant Treasury, where asset growth exponentially outpaces liabilities by design. Auto-compound your rewards on every deposit. For example, you can earn up to a $1 million balance in 3 years with weekly deposits, having only spent 32,000 BUSD. Choose your own deposit schedule, claims deduct from your balance, and has 1% partner rewards. Trunk is the ecosystem's yield token that operates in a stable range up to $1. Staking is a taxless contract that allows you to compound profits and withdraw
Okay, 30 more seconds.
your full deposit at any time. The Elephant Treasury supports the price of Trunk and the redemption queue, where cheap Trunk is burned yet redeemed dollar for dollar. Stampede is the Trunk token's bonding system that works exactly like futures described earlier, except with Trunk token, and the APR is peg adjusted to Trunk's price. Elephant Money Farms are a taxless, high-yield, and trustless savings and income portfolio system where you can pair Trunk with your favorite blue-chip assets to farm Trunk rewards with zero and permanent loss. You can withdraw your principal risk-free at any time. Reward rates range from 12.5% to 125% APR and are also peg-adjusted to Trunk price. Entering the farms is most advantageous when Trunk is below peg, since the value engine is based on Trunk's price performance. For example, if you create your farm position with $10,000 total while Trunk is at 50 cents, then your farm value doubles to $20,000 when Trunk 2x's back to $1. Farms offer 1% partner rewards on yield. Farmers Depot is the best way to obtain cheap Trunk liquid to your wallet. You can buy Trunk for 25 cents BUSD or higher with zero slippage. Purchase Trunk is paid out at 3.33% daily and has 1% partner rewards. Our partner network allows you to leverage your social network to onboard and reward new participants. Elephant Money is the latest iteration.
All right, that's about it. So I hope you understand something. The guy, I got him for tomorrow, and we're going to get a lot of information. Now, there are a few things here where you can make money. All right, so it's more complex to explain in only one video. I'm very interested into Elephant token, so that's right here, and futures. So how he say futures, you can deposit right here. If you go to futures, you can deposit minimum deposit is $200. So you can deposit minimum $200 and you're earning 0.5%. All right. So what everybody doing, if you go, so that's futures. Okay. Now, very important, if you decide to join, okay, make sure you use my link because you will get a 1% bonus. Okay. I'm going to get 1% and you are going to get 1%. So if you want to use my link, go here, right here to the right where it's 3 dots, press there and go to partner network. Make sure for partner network, you put here and you add my address, what will be in the description, and you update. Okay. You can also change my address if you're already in. Now, that's one thing. So I'm here interesting for 2 things. Futures, where you can make 0.5% a day on your BUSD, and it's more complex. The guy is going to explain tomorrow on the AMA. And Elephant Money. So I'm getting Elephant tokens every 1 week. I'm just doing DCA. I was hoping for the price to go down, but the price does not go down. All right. So farms, you can go and farm. I'm not using the farms, but feel free to go and see what they're offering between, like the guy says, between 12% and I think 100% APR, he says, but most of them what I saw are around 20% APR, When you go to farms, it's going to take around a few seconds before it's show all the farms right here. Now, we'll come back to this one. Now, if you go to Dune Analytics, okay, this is what I like. So check this out. This is for the futures, okay, for where you're earning 0.5% a day. Oh, there we go. That's the farms, okay? So the farms, if you go, they're all packed with trunk, with their token, with trunk, okay? So okay, BTC, BUSD, 20%, 20%, 20%, okay? I'm not interested for farms, so don't bother you. I'm very interested for futures and elephant tokens. So my strategy here is elephant token. I'm trying to DCA slowly whatever I can afford. Again, nothing here is financial advice. I'm buying every week or every few days, just, you know, $50, $100. You can buy them on PancakeSwap. Make sure it's a tax. Also, you can buy them from here. Like I'm going to explain you tomorrow how you can buy them to pay less tax. Now make sure when you're buying, you pay a couple of bucks for the fees. Now, and that's the first strategy to get more elephant token. And the second strategy for me, I'm going into futures. I'm going to deposit. I'm depositing 200 at least BUSD every couple of weeks. I'm not claiming. I'm just adding more and more. So when you add more, it's compounding automatically, okay? So why I'm bullish, but check the charts on Dune Analytics. This is only for futures, okay? And the charts is looking bullish. The video is too long, all right? So if you go there, you will see the charts. Look the daily deposits. This day, 43,000, windrows 1,000. Daily deposit 56,000, windrow 4K. Daily deposit 32,000, windrow 5,000. Daily deposit 65,000, windrow 1,000. What's that? Yesterday, daily deposit 36,000. Okay, windrows 6,000. So that's why I'm bullish. Look the green chart. Look this big candle, 122,000. Deposit windrow $300. Look this big candle. Deposit 150,000 a few days ago. Okay, a week ago. Windrow 1,700. All right, that's about it. Join the AMA tomorrow. The link will be in the description. Thank you so much. The baby is crying. I need to go. Love you all. Goodbye.